Today we're going to make a car mask.
You ready?
Yeah.
This is only a joke, okay?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Ready, Tiffany? Yay!
She happy.
Step 1, wash your car. Step 2, make the mask. This is the mask, this is the rope.
And then you're gonna need
This is the tape.
Alright, so let's make, how big should we make it? This is a doggy pad.
Anyway,
This is a doggy training pad.
Any big?
Any big? Mm-hmm.
Okay.
How about we just make it perfectly for the car? Let's go measure.
Okay, we have tape, scissors, rope. Do one more in the middle, guys.
Okay, good. So this would be the outside of the mask, and then we're gonna put the rope on the corner. Pull, 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 pull. So we need to make it matching and long, okay? So keep pulling.
So it has to match.
Tiffany's helping you. Ah, no. Hey, I got an end. Nice. Go, tip it.
So get the
So we measured it and make sure that both sides are the same length.
So
We tied it together, and now you're gonna tape it together, right?
Yeah, get the tape. Right?
Go, 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 go. Yeah. Action shot, yeah.
Tape.
Okay.
Okay. The mask is incomplete.
We're gonna put it in the race car?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Okay, we're going to install it now.
Okay, you want me to help you, or you want your little brother to help you?
Yeah.
Yeah,
We
help.
can all help.
Okay, Zachary, help. Pick up, pick up,
So-
pick up.
Pick
Let's
up
go.
the string.
Hold it, hold it, hold it. Let's go.
Hold.
Come on, come on. He wants to do
We only have one label.
it. You finished?
Yes.
Is this so cool? Help him with his hat. Cool, everyone. Thanks for watching. Your car is now safe from the virus. You can go get your groceries and do essential stuff. Hope you liked the video. Enjoy. And yeah, take care. So real talk, my mom actually opened up a new nail salon. The worst time possible. Anyhow, she can't open. And she got calls from the hospital asking for supplies, so she donated all her masks and gloves. So she had a pretty decent amount, over 1,000. But seriously, it's not enough. Video is a joke. Just have fun with your kids. Stay safe from the quarantine. Alright, peace out. So legit, my mom been making little masks. It's actually her first one. It's pretty shitty. But then she watched YouTube videos, thank goodness, and made much better ones. And she donated a few of them to the hospital. Zachary, I love you.
I will.
Love you. Can I have a kiss, please? Ah, say cheese.